Hi, my name is Saunders Penn, and I'm a junior here at the University of Delaware. My major is exercise science. I'm working with Jonathan Wood in Dr. Suzanne Morton's lab, and the title of my poster is Testing Reliability of the Psi Adaptive Algorithm to Determine Lower Limb Position Sense Thresholds. Lower limb position sense is essential for walking on different surfaces and navigating our environment. However, there are no reliable tests of lower limb position sense for specific contexts like standing and walking. Therefore, we developed and tested the reliability of a two alternative forced choice task, also known as AFC task, while participants stood on a split belt treadmill. For our methods, participants performed two separate AFC tasks with visions of their legs occluded. The tests were 20 minutes apart and consisted of 75 trials each. On each trial, participants' left limb was slowly moved by the treadmill to a stimulus location located every 10 millimeters from negative 100 and 100 millimeters of difference between the two ankles. Positive values indicate the left limb was more forward, negative values indicate the right limb was more forward. The participants judged which limb they felt was more forward, left or right. Then an adaptive algorithm called the Psi algorithm calculated the most likely parameters for a psychometric function using Bayesian estimation. The alpha parameter is the threshold, which represents the point at which the participant believes or feels that their limbs are symmetrical. And the beta parameter is the standard deviation, which represents the uncertainty in their estimates. Based on the participant's response, the Psi algorithm calculated the best stimulus location for the next trial by minimizing information entropy. Figure 3 displays the participants' estimates derived from the Psi algorithm for each test. On the x-axis are the stimulus positions, where positive values mean left is more forward, and on the y-axis are the probability that the participant responds left. So when the left foot is 100 millimeters in front of the right, the participant is 100% likely to say that their left is more forward. The alpha and beta estimates for this individual were very consistent between test A and test B. Figure 4 shows the group estimates for test A and test B were consistent with both parameters for the 4 individuals we have collected thus far. Figure 5 shows the limits of agreement between test A and test B, which are wider than desired, but with more participants, we believe these limits will decrease. In conclusion, while more participants are required to improve the agreement and reliability, the Psi method shows promise to be a reliable test of lower limb position sense. Thank you guys all for stopping by. Have a great rest of your day.